What's good, everybody? I have here the Sj4000, and this camera is a really great camera. And the only problem I have is the turning on. Like, when you hold it and it doesn't turn on, like you have to press really hard or really long. And I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So what you need is some scissors and some electrical tape. So what you're gonna do is take a piece of electrical tape off. You don't even need that much. Something like this. Now what you're gonna do is cut it in half the long way. And then you're gonna cut it in half the long way again. Okay, I messed up in this one, so I'm just gonna use the other one. I'll show you. You have it like this. Just cut it in the middle. Something like this. You're gonna need only one of them. And then you're gonna cut it in half again. And you can choose which side you want to keep. You can throw away the other side. So yeah, you're left with this. So you're gonna cut this in half. And the two pieces, what you're gonna do is stick them on with each other, but leave one sticky side. I'll show you in a minute. This top is like not sticky, but the bottom is sticky. But you're gonna have like 2 layers. That's it. And what I'll do is just cut the edges so you can make it even. Give me a minute real quick. Just like this. And there's 2 pieces of tape. Just put it aside real quick. Now you're gonna take apart the camera. First you're gonna need to take off the battery pack. Not the battery pack, the battery. Just remove it. And take this piece off. Just go to this corner. It should pop up. And then you see the hole, just lift it up. Go to each corner. It should come right off. And then you have this piece right here. I already had the piece of tape ready, so I'm gonna show you guys again. That's the power on button right there. The goldish, yellowish, I guess. And what you do is you're gonna take the piece of tape that you made, put it on top of the goldish, or the gold button, I guess. Just put it on top. And there you go. Just put your cover back on. Put your battery. Each side is on. Turn it off again. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Turn it back on. It's so easier now. Jump man. Watch. Turn it off. And then turn it back on. Works perfect. Thanks for watching.